This is Mono1 here, and today I'll be showing you how to build the set Golden Staff Guardians, 70 pieces from Pro Request. Here's a look at the box. It's quite big. I'll show you the instruction book. I'll show you how it looks when it's finished first. Look at the little feature in the back. Went pretty far. But it's just a little thing, a little feature that you get here. So I'm gonna show you the instruction book. I'm not gonna build it. Show you the motorcycle. I'll probably do a review, but now I'm just gonna show you the instruction. So, step one. Piece there. This side shows you to put dynamite in the shotgun. Now into the platform. And that's two pieces, as you can see, right here. Couple more steps to go. Look at that. Here shows a little feature. When you're done, then here's some other sets. And here's a little chart here. Just have the piece list, a little club thing, and advertisement. You always do get. So that's it. One more look at the set. I will be reviewing it probably sometime by now, but it's it for now. So please rate, comment, subscribe, and bye.